If you want to remove parental controls on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, in that case you want to open Settings. On the left side we're gonna scroll down in order to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, and over here we have Family Link Parental Controls, so we want to select this option. After that we can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and we can choose to stop supervision. Now let's wait for the next screen. Then over here we need to select this box, we need to check this box that we understand that if we stop supervision our parent will be notified and my supervised device will be locked, so you have to keep that in mind, and the device that will lock for 24 hours unless it will be unlocked by our parent will be of course this one. So we can confirm that we want to stop supervision. There we go. And of course our device will lock in 5 minutes. Of course we can cancel that at any point if you want to. If you want to return, and yeah, so let's wait 5 minutes and let's see how it looks like after that. And there we go, this is how it looks like after 5 minutes. So if you are the parent, of course, you can tap over here and then we can enter the Family Link Parent Access code. And if you don't know how to get the code, you can tap over here, Can't Find Code, in order to find out how to do that. And once you enter the code, we can close this menu and we should be back to the normal access. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.